Assalamu alaikum class 2 day 19. Open your grammar book. Write date, CW and day. Lesson number 4, singular and plurals. Singular mean one thing and plural mean more than one. Okay, a noun is said to be singular when it's referred to one thing. It is said to be plural when it refers to more than one thing. One, two or more than two things are called, we count them in plural. And singular, one thing. We can make plurals by adding s or es to the nouns. Look, one, one tiger, singular tiger. Many, more than one. So tigers, put s at the end. Bush, bushes, bushes. Listen the sound, bushes is. So, and look at your mouth. It makes e sound, e face. Okay. Let us understand. Make plurals of the following by adding s or es. Table, tables, put s. Boy, boys. Cow, cows. Car, cars. Girl, girls. Okay. Glass, glasses, put es. Fox, foxes, es. Potato, potatoes, es. Bush, bushes, es. And dish, dishes, es. Okay, now do next. Page 15 on book. On notebook, we will write singular, plural. Okay, practice exercise. Read the following passage and correct the wrong words in book only. One fine evening, a young princess put on her hats and went for a walk in the nearby woods. She was holding her favorite toys, a golden balls which she liked throwing up in the air and catching before it fell. Okay, so do correction. Put on her hats. No hats. Hat, one thing. Her hat and went for a walk in the nearby woods. Nearby wood. She was holding her favorite toys, a golden ball toy. A golden ball which she liked throwing up in the air and catching before it fell. At one time she threw it so high up in the air that she could not catch it. The ball fell into the water. The princess sat in a corner weeping. How I wish someone could help me get the ball. I shall give that person, only one person, all my fine jewels, she said aloud.